wheels to clean. Then press Clean to restart. Please open the iRobot Home app for help.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. On today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make a digital vision board. Vision boards are a great way to line out everything you want to accomplish in the next few months or in the next few years. And if you're wanting to change what time frame your vision board is for pretty often, like if you want one for each season and then you want one for the whole year, potentially one for the next 5 years, you're not going to want to be making a new one every single time. But if you do it digitally, you can edit things as you achieve them, you can add things, or you can change things. The first step in making your digital vision board is figuring out what you want on it. I recommend just making a list somewhere on your notes app or maybe on a Word doc and writing out all the things you really want to accomplish in the time frame you're setting the vision board for. Some things I put on my vision board are just some things I want to accomplish over the next year. First thing is getting my RN tag for my badge at work. I am in school to get my BSN, my Bachelor's of Science in Nursing, and I will be done this December. I'm hoping to pass my NCLEX and then get my registered nursing license. And so when you get that at my hospital, you get a red tag that goes underneath your badge. Next up is finally getting rid of my car. It has done a great job, but it's time for me and my car to part. I need something a little bit bigger with Brogan, and I'd like to get something a little bit more environmentally friendly. So Micah and I have decided that hopefully my next car will be the Tesla Model Y. This will obviously be something I get once I get my full-time job, and is not something I'll be getting right now, but I'd like to include it on the board just as kind of a reminder to work really hard to get my RN license and to get that full-time job so that we can afford it. Next on my list is to finally start planning my wedding. We got engaged in November of 2019 when I was about 6 months pregnant. We were planning on starting to plan our wedding this summer, but with everything going on in the world right now, it just didn't really feel appropriate and we had other things we needed to focus on. So now I don't really know when a good time to start planning it would be, knowing that everyone's getting their wedding pushed back. I need to just kind of take that first step and start looking into what I want. So I think including a picture of like a beautiful wedding sign or a wedding invitation would sort of remind me that it needs to be something that I'm looking into. Next up, some really far forward thinking and just some positive motivation would be a picture of like the YouTube award, the silver play button you get when you hit 100,000 subscribers. Back up from the tripod. I think all YouTubers on the platform hope that their following just continues to grow and they have this great community and that someday they do hit that 100,000 subscribers or even 1 million subscribers. And I think having a picture of that silver play button will just sort of keep it in mind that the work I'm doing for this channel is for something, and hopefully I can have a really great community one day. My next goal would be to have my student loans paid off. I did go to a smaller school in a city and I don't have like substantial student loans, but they're still there and I'd really like to get those paid off just so they're off my shoulders. So I think having something on there about not having any debt would be just a good reminder that that's what I'm working towards. I'd like to somehow fit a picture of Brogan onto my vision board. I have so many goals and aspirations for him as he grows up, and I want to make sure that I'm keeping him in the forefront of all of my planning. So it can be kind of hard to decide what you want to put on your vision board. I like to find my pictures on Pinterest. There's a lot of really great aesthetically pleasing pictures on Pinterest, and there's so much option. There's a big selection. So I usually just search the name of whatever my goal is and I find a picture that best matches what I have in mind. So to put everything together, once you get all of your pictures, you can use a few different websites. You can really just use any collage maker on your phone, or you could use something like Canva or PicMonkey. All of these have free options. I think for this video, I'm going to use PicMonkey to show me putting it together. I did use Canva to make my wallpaper on my phone and I really liked it, but I think there's just more option on PicMonkey. And you can go through and add different little details and quotes to make it more personalized for you.
Waiting for the time to pass me by. Binging in my sentimental mind. I'm still holding my feelings in. I'm still wondering if you care.
Once you're done editing and getting all of the pictures together in the way you like, you can export the picture and airdrop it to your phone or email it to your phone if you don't have the same devices. And you can actually upload it onto VSCO or Lightroom and apply a Lightroom preset or just a VSCO filter. And that way all of your pictures will kind of have the same filter and they'll look really aesthetically pleasing together. Seeing these things every day on your phone, tablet, computer can kind of help you make choices that are going to move you closer to that goal, even if it's just subconsciously. I personally feel like it's helpful to see my vision board every day, but some people think that the act of just making the vision board and maybe never looking at it again is just helpful in itself. Getting all of your thoughts in one place can be the entire point, really. This feels very different than any other mindset-based motivational tactics because it's very passive and it's just literally pictures of what you want. So I'll show you guys here what my final vision boards were. I made one for my phone before recording this video, and then I made one for my laptop after making this video. Each thing on this vision board means a lot to me, and I really think getting to see them every day will just continue to propel me towards those goals. So that is it for this video. Let me know in the comments if there's any online resource you use for your vision boards, or if you prefer to do them actually with magazines, like on a board, or digitally. I personally love doing everything digitally, but I know some people just love to actually work with their hands. If you liked this video and you like lifestyle-based content, be sure to subscribe for more. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Good luck on achieving all of your goals in life. Bye, guys.
Binging in my sentimental mind. I'm still holding my feelings in. I'm still wondering if you care. Always taking so for granted.